fiery Bengal battle is now intensely getting personal. The rhetoric went to a new low after Bengal Chief Minister Mamata, while addressing a rally in South 24 Parganas, called Modi a king of murderers and a zamindar of dacoits. Mamata had made this remark while hitting out at BJP, who had blamed TMC of being a thief. Soon after her remarks, BJP lashed out at Didi, saying that such remarks lower the discourse of an election. BJP's Bengal co-in-charge, Amit Malviya, while speaking to India Today, has said that such comments from Mamata shows that she is under immense pressure because she knows that she will end up losing in the upcoming elections.
Ami chor, ami dakat, ami khuni, আমি মানুষকে জীবন দিয়ে ভালোবাসি আর তুমি শালা খুনিদের রাজা খুনিদের জমিদার ডাকাতদের জমিদার সব টাকা খেয়ে নিয়েছো পিএম কেয়ারের নামে টাকা তুললে কোথায় গেল টাকা কেউ পায়নি
Mamata Banerjee is losing the plot. Her language is unbecoming of an outgoing chief minister. This is not the first time that she used such abusive language in her public meetings. She has done this on more than one occasion. She has lowered the level of discourse single-handedly in this election. We don't want to go down that path. We understand she's under pressure. We understand that she knows that she's going to lose this election, and therefore she's losing her calm and her head. But those watching this election must realize that she has put the state in peril for the last 10 years. And now that the people have decided to vote her out, she can't probably stomach it. And you'll be surprised to know that Nandigram, the seat that she's contesting, which is going to polls in second phase, she's going to lose that as well. She's the chief minister of the state. Her own nephew is known to be running syndicates, whether it is coal syndicate, whether it is cow smuggling, whether it is women trafficking. Everywhere there seems to be a direct or indirect linkage to the ruling TMC party. If Mamata Banerjee believes that is not corruption, then she will get the verdict from the people on the 2nd of May.
All right, Suryagini Roy is now joining us, reporting from Asansol, West Bengal, for the very latest. Suryagini, is very, very clear from the discourse that we're seeing from the TMC side and from the BJP side that both the parties are lashing out barbs at each other, and the discourse has hit a new political low of sorts.
Well, Chaiti, if you look at the past 48, 72 hours, the war of words has become ugly between the BJP and the Trinamool, just 24 hours from the election. But, you know, if you look at the video speech of Mamata Banerjee, she does not name the Prime Minister. She does not name any, you know, senior leader directly. So even this is something that we need to, you know, look at as well. However, she claimed that whosoever she was targeting was a scamster as well. But there is still, you know, massive speculations on who the person was, whom was being targeted by the Chief Minister. However, if you just look at it, she has not named any of the senior BJP leaders, be it the Prime Minister or the Home Minister, directly while she was attacking, while she was making her statement yesterday. Back to you, Chair.
All right, Suryagini, hold on right there. We're going to keep coming back to you for more as far as the run-up to the election is concerned. Let's also take a look at the war of words that erupted between the Prime Minister and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in the past. Here's a look.
की धरती से उस बंगाल में दीदी बहिरागोतो की बात कर रही हो टूरिस्ट कहा जा रहा है मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है अपमान किया जा रहा है दीदी गुरुदेव रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर की बंगभूमि के लोग किसी को ये गुरुदेव की मिट्टी का आवाज है किसी को बहिरा गोता नहीं मानते बहिरा गोतो नहीं मानते
এই নির্বাচনটা দিল্লির নয় বাংলার বাইরের কিছু গুন্ডা নিয়ে এসেছে বহিরাগত গুন্ডা কপালে একটা করে তিলক কাটছে উত্তরপ্রদেশ থেকে এসেছে এখানকার উত্তরপ্রদেশের লোকেদের আমি বহিরাগত বলি না যারা বাংলাকে কিন্তু এরা বাইরের গুন্ডা দিল্লির পুলিশ ভয়ে চাকরি ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে মেয়েদের উপর অত্যাচার হচ্ছে মেয়েরা বেরোতে পারে না সকালে দুপুরে সন্ধ্যায়
दीदी, ओ दीदी, दीदी, आज पश्चिम बंगाल पूछ रहा है कि अम्फान की राहत किसने लूटी? गरीब का चावल किसने लूटा? अम्फान के सताए लोग आज भी टूटी हुई छत के नीचे जीने को मजबूर क्यों है? जब जरूरत होती है तब तो दीदी दिखती नहीं है, लेकिन जब चुनाव आता है तो कहती है सरकार द्वारे द्वारे, सरकार द्वारे द्वारे। यही इनका खेला है, यही इनका खेला है।
নরেন্দ্র মোদী একজন ঢং করে দেখতে এলো প্লেনে করে, বলল টাকা দেবো, 1000 কোটি টাকা দিয়ে গেলাম। কার টাকা? মাছের তেলে মাছ ভাজা। মায়েরা বলুন তো কোন মাছের তেলে মাছ ভাজা হয়? ইলিশ মাছের তেলে মাছ ভাজা হয়। আমার রাজ্য সরকারের প্রাপ্য টাকা দিয়ে বলছে ওটা আমরা দিয়ে গেলাম। 1 পয়সা দেয়নি, বাড়ির জন্য দেয়নি, রাস্তার জন্য দেয়নি, কলের জন্য দেয়নি, ক্ষতিপূরণের জন্য দেয়নি।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.